Hello students, hope you are all doing good. In the previous class we discussed about finding determinant of a 2 by 2 as well as 3 by 3 matrix. In today's class we shall discuss some more problems based on determinants. Show that, first problem, show that determinant of BC, B plus C 1, CA, C plus A 1, AB, A plus B 1 is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. This is what you have to show. Now, consider BC, B plus C 1, CA, C plus A 1, AB, A plus B 1. We can do some row operations as well as column operations. Let us see, I will show you how to do it. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So, we will see what you get. BC, B plus C 1, CA minus BC, C plus A minus B minus C 0, AB minus BC, A plus B minus C 0. Now, this is nothing, this is same as BC, B plus C 1, C into A minus B plus C minus C cancel, you have A minus B 0. Here you have B into A minus C plus B minus B cancel, you have A minus C and 0. From second row I can take A minus B common, from third row I can take A minus C common. So, you have that is similar to A minus B to A minus C, BC, B plus C 1, C 1 0, B 1 0. Let us take the determinant of this. A minus B, A minus C, plus minus plus, BC into 0 minus 0 minus B plus C into, close this column, close this row, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into C minus B. That is what you have. Now, this is same as A minus B, A minus C, A minus B, A minus C, and this is C minus B, because these two will become zeros. So, this is equal to A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. Take minus sign common from these two. You get it as A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. That's about this problem. We shall look into the next problem. Show that B plus C, C plus A plus B A plus B, B plus C, C plus A B C is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. This is what you have to show. Consider B plus C, C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A B, C. Now R2 changes to R2 minus R3. We shall take these two. We can perform any row operations to make the determinant simpler. So R2 here I am taking R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So what that is the same as B plus C, C plus A plus B. A plus B minus A is B. B plus C minus B is C. C plus A minus C is A. Here you have A, B, C. Then R1 changes to R1 minus R2. So you have, this is similar to B plus C minus B is C, A, C plus C minus C, C plus A minus C is A plus B minus A is B, C A B, B C A, and you have A B C. Now let us take determinant. This is put plus, minus, plus, so that will give you C into C square minus AB minus A into BC minus A square, BC minus A square plus B into, close this column, close this row, close this column, close this row, B square minus AC, B square minus AC. So this is equal to C cube minus ABC minus ABC plus A cube plus B cube minus ABC. So that is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So this is what you have. Let us see the next problem. Third one, if A square 1 plus A cube, B square 1 plus B cube, C square 1 plus C cube is equal to 0, and A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is not equal to 0, then show that ABC is equal to minus 1. This is what you have to show. Solution. Consider A square 1 plus A cube, B square 1 plus B cube, C square 1 plus C cube is equal to 0. Now this can be written as A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus A square A cube, B square B cube, C square C cube. We are splitting the single matrix into two different matrix and equating to 0. Now this can be written as a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus take a from first row, b from second row, c from third row plus abc into 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. So what we shall do is we shall exchange these two columns. So whenever you are exchanging the columns, you have to put minus sign here. Yes, so what you have here, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 minus abc into, so taking minus sign out, here you can write it as abc 1 1 1 a square b square c square. Again we are interchanging these two columns. Right, what do you get? A square 1, b square 1, c square 1. Interchange these two columns. Have plus abc into a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is equal to 0. So you have a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 into 1 plus abc is equal to 0. Clearly a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is not equal to 0. This implies 1 plus abc is equal to 0. That implies abc is equal to minus 1. So you showed that abc is equal to minus 1. Let us do one more problem. Fourth one, show that a square plus 2a, 2a plus 1, 1, 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 is equal to a minus 1 whole cube. Now consider a square plus 2a, 2a plus 1, 1, 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. R1 change to R1 minus R2. Let R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So this is nothing but R1 changes to R1 minus R2 means a square plus 2a minus 2a minus 1, 2a plus 1 minus a minus 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. This minus this 2a plus 1 minus 3, a plus 2 minus 3, 0, 3, 3, 1. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel. So here what do you have? A square minus 1, a square minus 1, 2a minus a is a, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So you have a minus 1, 0, 2a minus 2. Here you have 2a minus 2, a minus 1, 0, Next you have 3, 3, 1. So that is nothing but a plus 1 into a minus 1. A square minus 1 can be written as a plus 1 into a minus 1. A minus 1, 0. Next take 2 out. 2 into a minus 1. A minus 1, 0. 3, 3, 1. So from the first row you can take a minus 1 out. In second row also you can take a minus 1 out. Remaining thing is a plus 1, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0. 3, 3, 1. So what do you have here? A minus 1 whole square into the remaining part. Let us do it here. This is nothing but a minus 1 whole square into a plus 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 3, 1. This is a minus 1 whole square into a plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus minus 1 into plus minus plus minus 1 into 2 minus 0 plus 0 into 6 minus 3. That is what you have. So here you have a minus 1 whole square, a plus 1 minus 2, a minus 1 whole square into a minus 1, that is a minus 1 whole cube. Hence proved. That's about this problem. This is 0. So that's about today's class, student. We shall continue in the next class.